Hey, my ear, my eyes don't see my ear. African women, waiting be this. Waiting be this. Men, I take it easy. Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. What is this? If you like say some people, when they have misunderstanding, now that time many of you go use the opportunity to tell them what you want tell them. Hey, Sandra is full of herself. They say Sandra is the cause of the problem. So let's go and see if it's true. Guys, jump into this video. This video is going to make a lot of sense today. Please, don't miss this video. I really mean it. I know what I'm saying. My brother, I have a letter with a proper information. If we try to this correction, oh yeah, give me attention. Hello, everyone. Hello, my people. Hello, my amazing people. Hello, my lovers of Chi family. I love you guys too. Yeah, today's video, I just want to reply some comments I received. This is the reason why in comment section is there. If you feel that what somebody said, you don't agree with the person, you can leave your comment. We all are not perfect. We learn every day by day, okay? I am not perfect, you are not perfect. So there is some comments some people left there for me, and I decided to answer these people because if you're a content creator, sometimes you get more content from comment you receive. About yesterday video I posted concerning Sandra and her friend issue. Since this I've been watching a lot of reaction on the YouTube. I never do any video about it, but in my channel sometimes I do a little bit reaction, but not everything I see I take to make a reaction. Anyone that take my attention to also put my mouth to say something. The same thing with me. If you see any video I made for myself or for my family, you see that something I said there, you don't agree with me, you are free to do reaction. I don't have no problem with it. I can also take some correction from it. I can also learn from you. Somebody left comment for me that Sandra and her friend, they come from a good family, so they have, both of them have parents, that the parents can settle them, which means their parents, well, for my mind I said this, so which means their parents are talking to I've already said something about this issue. They didn't listen to their parents. Nobody who don't, I don't know what you mean by they come from a good family. Anyone that comes from a good family does not mean that you cannot have issue. You are a human being, my dear sister. You are a human being. That what is running in your blood, in your body, is blood. It's not only water. Okay? You can provoke. Somebody can do something you don't like. You and your husband can get misunderstanding. You people cannot agree with each other. It can lead to quarreling. Sometimes it leads for separation. If maybe if your parents or this person parent didn't put mouth together, things to work, start to work together again. Quarreling does not mean that you come from a good family, or you don't come from a good family. Everyone get even animals, human being the same way. In a in our government, the same thing. Sometimes they do fight. You see it. For Sandra and her friend having misunderstanding, it's normal, my dear sister. It's normal thing. But what we pray that they should try to come back together as before. We enjoyed their jokes, we enjoyed their laughing, we enjoyed how they are playing together, the way they do. Another person told me that, how do people know that they have misunderstanding? You bloggers, why people are taking what you don't know, they don't have any issue. As for me, even our people said, what you wear for hand, you don't need to use mirror to see it. something that is in your hand. You don't need mirror to see it. You are seeing it with your hand, with your eyes. Many people know it. Many people who is around them, those people that is around them know that there is issue. They will make video a lot together. I remember the time Sandra did her traditional wedding. I don't want to put the video. If not, I could have put the video here. You will see how happy, how the lady was gingery, she was really active on that place. But to watch the marriage side, the picture she took, with many of you capture it. I don't need to put it. I also watch it with my two eyes. The way she do, even her dressing does not look like. Go back and watch Sandra traditional marriage and watch the wedding marriage video and see difference. I know how we African do when someone is doing marriage. They sew a lot of clothes, nice clothes, design it with. Watch the picture there. Watch the video. You will see the way she separated herself instead of her to stay by her friend. But I'm not here to be saying all this because who am I to judge nobody? I'm not judging nobody. But someone leaving comments, you guys should stop. They are not quarreling. This one said they have a good family. They are from a good background. They are from a good home. That does not mean that you cannot quarrel with each other. You are a human being. Okay? So another one, he also said that, yes, Sandra is the cause of the problem because she always full of herself. Hey, my Jesus Christ. I beg you, please, I don't know how to say this one. Many of our people need to take it easy. Take it easy. Don't be in a hurry to judge, to conclude whatever thing that is happening to them. I will be the happiest person on this earth to see that they are together. Because if you watch so much of my video, I do talk about something love. I am not a pastor, I am not a preacher, but when my father was alive, this is how he do. I see my father putting family together, family that's separate. I see him putting them together. I see my father doing charity work, not for human, he doing it by himself. He do support people. My father is ready to go hunger to see that other people are happy. So this is the same way I took from my father. If you go down of my video, you see my videos. I talk about love, love, love. I never talk, even if something is worst, I am not in the position to be putting more fight. But many of you are saying something that I don't understand. You guys need to try to call them together. Look at what happened last time. Diana Akweme with Nelo. The same problem. None of you can settle these people. Do you want this boy again from Ghana to come down to Nigeria to settle this matter? Does it mean that YouTubers in Nigeria cannot call these people together to settle them? Why? Things are going on wrong. We are here trying to... Who are you trying to say they come from a background, a good background? Who come from bad background? Bad one. I don't know how to put it. What I'm trying to say here is not that they should keep on quarreling. What I'm expecting many of people who are doing reaction to try to say something, please guys, we beg you people in the name of God, come back together. We love you people. We watch your videos, the way people play together, the way people laugh together. Not to come and tell this person is full of yourself. Are you living with them? You don't really know what is the problem. But there must be problem. Is something that causes problem. Something cannot just start. Something causes it. So we know, many people see it, and we also see it. So don't come here to say this or that. Everybody come from good home. It depends how your parents train you. It depends. Sometimes many people come from a good home, but because of the friends they meet and the people they meet, they also copy. If the people are bad, they will copy from them. Likewise me. If I'm moving with a bad person, it left for me to think if I should follow what the person is doing, I should continue with the way my parents trained me. Okay? So what I'm trying to say here, let you people just put peace on this. Let this end. I pray and I hope to see them together again, because the video I saw on that wedding picture was not nice. But I'm not here to judge. What I say, please, you guys should come back together. Find a place in your heart to forgive each other. If you don't forgive each other, so why people, you don't need to come out and come and preach to us, do this, because many people watch free people, many people take your footstep, you understand? So that's what I'm trying to say. So another thing, for many of you that are coming to drop some, once you are in social media, not everybody that is going to love you. Try to understand this. I may put video, you may not agree with me. You can leave your comment. I have to read it and think and know what you said. This place is right and this place is wrong. I know how to correct myself. You can never be right all the time. So I urge you guys, many of our Nigerian women, especially from Africa women, please, when something is going on wrong, be in the position of making peace between these people. When you try your best, they don't want to listen. You let for them to decide what they want to do. You understand? So many people left a lot of comments. It's not what I'm coming to read, but the ones I just pick is the one I'm talking right now. Or you people should we should call Wadamaya to come and settle this matter, so that we call him from Ghana. Since Nigeria YouTubers, I know a lot of big YouTubers are Nigeria. All of you are moving together, shooting video together. You people cannot talk to your friends when there is problem. When another outsider will come from outside, you people will accept it. How will you people feel? It's a shameful thing for me. Okay, please, Sandra and her friend, please, you guys should find a place in your heart to forgive each other. We truly love you guys. We are watching you from all the way from Germany.